In this video, let's dive into the way that you can fix the Snapchat code not received. If you're trying to log in or reset the password of your Snapchat and you're not being able to receive the code, the first thing that you need to ensure is that if you are connected to a strong network connection or if you have any VPNs connected. If you have any VPNs connected, make sure you disconnect and try to see if you can now receive the code. If you're still not being able to receive the code, what you also need to ensure that if the settings on your phone for SMS is blocking any unknown senders. If that is also the case for you, you would not be able to receive the code. But for the most cases, this is not what most people face. So whenever you try to reset your password, there are basically two ways of receiving the code. Instead of choosing your phone number, you can also choose your email address so that the code will be sent to your email instead of your phone number. This way you should be able to receive your code on your email address and you should be able to reset your password. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you and this is not the issue that you're facing, then what you can try out is try to restart your phone as well as try to remove the app of Snapchat from your device and then again re-download it. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat login code not received. But however, if you're still facing issues even after doing all of these steps, then that likely means Snapchat is having issues right now, so you can try to receive the code later and try to reset your password after a couple of minutes. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.